It happens every week when I need you to put all of your loving on me. You're talking to me like we gon' get you. Is this worth all the effort I gave? Forgive me if I missed when you said you don't care what the people might say. Get me out. I need you to put all of your loving on me. For walls won't hold me tonight. Is this worth all the effort I gave?
And there is the layered pixie cut. It's another style now. The layered pixie cut, which is also good if you're a woman in your 50s, 60s, 70s. The layered pixie cut is arguably one of the most stylish short haircut for women over 60. If you go online, this cut is the most stylish. So rocking this cut will make you not just stand out from the crowd, will make you look like someone who knows what you are doing at this age. You like to dress your age, look your age, not in the downside part, but you don't want to look like a 16-year-old, you don't want to look like a 13-year-old. Of course you want to look younger and youthful, but you want to still look younger while maintaining you're rocking the low maintenance hair, it does not mean that you're not going to have people looking at you staring at you. You're going to look beautiful and youthful. Of course you will. But the well-cut, short, natural hairstyles for women over 50, particularly for those embracing their texture alongside their silver, which we call the salt and pepper, they command more attention walking into a room than an elaborately styled blowout.
Great big shout out to Dream Cuts
So
Barber
the key
Lounge
point
with the inspirational pick. He is a beast.
Keep it
but you know you gotta
simple.
make it your own. She didn't
Don't
want
do
much
too much
action
with your
going on
hair.
one side. Her request, this is what we have, and I'm telling you, she has a perfectly shaped head for this look. Don't you agree? This is easy peasy for those nights.
If this town
It's time for a root touch-up, and I'm going to show you how we went from this to the
Let me
Tang, my go-to treatment system for all of my high-lift services. I allow my clients to see the process until she is at level 10 using blind leads. You have to have patience. This is not a quick process.
Why does he do me that way?
She is fully lifted, and we are now going to apply the first step, which is the
Tell him that it's human nature.
Step 2 is the collagen repair. Because I don't want to dilute the product too much, I towel block the look and then apply it.
Looking out,
I combine step 3 and 4, which is the internal and external collagen reconstruction.
city rings a sleepless
Make sure you have equal amounts of pumps for each reconstructor. Swirl them together and apply. For each step, we will allow it to sit in the hair 3 to 5 minutes without heat. After rinsing out the last step, style it, and this is what we have.
Get me out of destruction of all the evil that was. For walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just another, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the nighttime. The city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window.
On y va.
Sweet seducing
Allons-y.
sighs.
On y va.
Get me out into the night.
Quand je prends le micro, les filles se demandent si je vais chanter des chansons coquines. Les premiers mots, ça parle de sexe. Les filles sont heureuses, adieu les complexes.
Let me take a
Bravo chérie, je t'applaudis.
tell that it's human nature. Why
Allons-y.
does he do me that way? They say
On y va.
why? Tell
Allons-y.
that it's human nature.
On y va.
Why does he do me that way?
Quand
I
je
like
prends le
living
micro,
this way.
les filles se demandent si je vais chanter des chansons coquines.
Looking out
Les premiers mots,
across the
Anything
nighttime.
worth having at all is
The
worth
city
working
winks a
for and
sleepless
waiting for.
eye.
Some of my closest friends thought they had that thing on
Hear
track.
her
Just 'cause that man was
voice
bringing them flowers,
shake
candy, and
my
all
window.
kinds of gifts.
Sweet
Some gifts are just to make
seducing
him feel better while he's on his guilt trip about the night.
Get me out
Mike did. Let me guess, you got the box braids or the 40-inch bust.
for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the nighttime. The city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window. Sweet seducing